Hi, I'm Konrad. I'm one of the Android developers here at Golden Gekko, and welcome to today's presentation. Today we're going to talk about the material design, which is a new UI concept as presented by Google during the Google I/O 2014. While this is still only a preview, we already identified some of the opportunities and challenges with this way of designing mobile products. But before we begin, let's just recap a bit with the history of Android user interface. So the first versions of the platform were not that heavily design-oriented. Some of the apps tried to introduce some skeuomorphic elements, but the first major redesign was the Hollow theme, which appeared first in Android 3.0. And it was basically Android's take on the flat design, which we've seen during the last couple of years. The flat design was introduced to reduce the cognitive load of a user interacting with a mobile app. And now material design tries to combine the best of the two worlds, so skeuomorphic and flat design. And it does that by introducing some depth to this world of views and layers that we see in mobile apps. So the depth is added by creating the shadows that make some of the views stand out from the background. Also, the animations are really important now because they actually provide meaning to the user, giving feedback and let him orient wherever he is currently in the app. So the transitions between screens are actually even more important than they used to be. And I would say they're even equally or even more important than the design of the static screens. One of the other features introduced by material design is the possibility of branding. Right now, the platform allows you to set an accent color, which you can then, the platform allows you to set an accent color, which you can use to create a branding that is consistent with the overall system's UI. So what is going to be the impact of giving access to this new material theme in the apps? Well, it's not going to happen instantly. It's not going to happen instantly. We know that the adoption rate of Android is not that high. So during the first couple of months, we will still have to make some trade-offs between introducing the new features and maintaining compatibility with previous platforms. So another thing that needs being taken into consideration is a wider range of screens. Why? Why is that? Because wearables are now getting more and more important. So right now, when we're used to design and develop for the ever bigger screens of smartphones and tablets, we actually need to take a step back and look also at the smaller screens that will be part of our smartwatches and car dashboards. Basically, the material design looks great, feels natural, although it will be a bit challenging to use it with existing platforms. We are looking forward to see it in the final version of Android L, which we will see later this year. So thank you for watching this video. If you have anything on your mind about it, just feel free to drop a line in the comments or contact Golden Gekko directly. See you next time.